Hi, good day, gentlemen. Welcome to oliverhobby.com. Here, let's see for this LXY 10x10 crane roll and off dumper. Now have some changes. My last video about the settings already, it's almost 3 years ago, 2 years ago. Now, this one, started a few months ago, the sound system been changed. It's still FrSky XE Lite radio, but the sound system now is changed from 3T soundboard to Fury Bear soundboard. And Fury Bear soundboard, the driven ESC goes to the soundboard, and from soundboard, the signal wire goes to the receiver. So only after start the sound, then you have driven throttle engine sound, but all the hydraulic motion no have throttle engine sound. Now let's see how we change the driven ESC wire to the soundboard, and the soundboard wire for throttle, for drive, that throttle engine sound signal wire, we plug into additional one channel, then set up all mix. So drive have throttle sound, all the hydraulic motion, legs, arms, all have throttle engine sound. So for old version was 3T soundboard, and the receiver forward was number 1 receiver, and the receiver in the rear side box was number 2 receiver. But now for the new version with Fury Bear soundboard, forward is number 2 receiver. This one rear side is number 1 receiver. So 1 to 12 channel. And here, second receiver, 13 to 24 channel. Now, for changing the soundboard wires to receiver, first, we have to lift up the chassis. No, let's first disassemble the bumper easier. So, bumper forward 2 screws loose, then this bumper would be loose. Only the light LED wire still connected. Then, for the cabin, yeah, here was the frame connection. So cabin now only remaining 1, 2, 3, 4 screw, and have 2 nuts. 4 screw left side and the left and the right side have nuts. Nuts is inside, so have to hold it, take it out. So 4 screw, 2 nuts, take out. This cabin now already, so can be lifting. And only remaining here is a pulling metal wire. So lose this screw. This wire will come out, then we can put it down on a foam. Then forward chassis lift up. Forward here we have auxiliary girder, put a box or rubber. So lift up the chassis, wheels contain free. And the rear side, bumper put a box, lift up, so we can drive and check all the functions. So here was wire holding with bandage, cut the bandage, wire loose. Soundboard was holding by bandage, cut the bandage, loose. And then receiver wires, we can pull it out a little bit, we can see it. And also soundboard, we can pull out, check the wires. Now, so soundboard, from here, see, originally, this plug, that's the driven ESC plug. Driven motor ESC plug into sound board here, and all the signal control wire here, all each color connecting to receiver. So this wire, driven ESC was 3 wire with white. This white signal wire, it was like this, 3 wire. So now I removed this white wire from the plug. Check like this. So this white wire I take out and pull out all this spare plug. Only use the black plug. So plug the white wire into this empty plug, and then this empty plug. Now what we are going to do is use another female end and male end. The negative positive wire take out, and this side cut, only remaining the signal wire, and this signal wire connecting to here, plug in, and so this is driven motor control wire. And coming to the soundboard, let's check. So soundboard, all the wire, only the green wire is cutted, not in use. So first one is start and horn, black wire, plug into receiver. Second one, yellow one, it is accelerate and brake, that's for drive. And the third one, forward, reverse, that's for cruise drive, it's cancelled, so green wire, cut. That's number. And number 4, steering wheel, that's the turning signal light. Number 5, volume control, light control. And then this one, reverse, yeah, and the ground, this is all connected but not directly controlled. Yeah. So mainly now what is connected, see from receiver. So channel 1, it have receiver power wire, but also combining the black signal wire to channel 1. And the channel 2, 3, 4, 5, that's, 2, 3, 4, it's all from soundboard. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that's all from soundboard. Now, let's go to radio to check. After radio on, 9 switch, pushing forward, the drive mode, MDL, click it, come into mix. From mix, check, that's crank mode, backward, forward, drive mode. So from channel 1 is the damping by slider. So that's number 1 receiver, channel 1 to channel 12. And 2, that's for the sliding bucket rear side. Anyway, now the crank, it is cancelled because crank only working at crank mode. So now all 1 to 12, that's for the crank. And start from channel 13, that's the number 2 receiver forward side. So this receiver number 2, channel 1 is channel 13. From the receiver channel 1 is radio channel 13. 13 is the sound, start. It's by 7 SWG. It's counting like this, SG. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So this one is for horn and sound, start, channel 13. And 14 is drive by throttle. 15 is steering. Channel 13, we have the sound and horn, and also the soundboard, the signal grounding line, the last black one. The last one, ground black wire, is also connecting to 13. So, and for 14 drive, 15 steering and the steering servo, steering LED is combined from the board. So when steering, if the light, we switch into the steering light on mode, you will have steering LED. Now what is important, so what we need to change is only the drive channel, EIC wire, and then is the channel 2 from here, and from radio channel 14, we need to change. How? Steps. First step, we already get this driving EIC wire ready, signal wire separate, because we have 2 power supply to the soundboard. First, battery power supply, it's around 8 volt from battery directly to here. That's for the loudly speaker for more power. Directly, this power line from battery only for speaker. From the driving EIC connecting this plug, we still have black and red still need to connect into here. That's for the soundboard power control. And the signal wire for driving EIC separately leading out. Then channel 2 using a plier, nipper. This from channel 2. Drive signal wire take out. This is the throttle engine sound. This throttle engine sound plug into receiver. So 1 to 10 is here. 11 and 12, so plug into 12, the spare one. So throttle engine sound, signal wire plug into 12. From radio is channel 24 for this throttle engine sound. And the driver EIC was from sound. Now we connect into receiver channel 2 directly. So using a plier using a nipple would be easier because it's a small space. Plug in. So 1 to 12, still no change. Channel 2 still for drive, but directly to EIC, control signal wire. And now, from radio, we need to change many. From radio, probably need to change it from here. MDL, first output, go to drive channel. Drive is 14. Slide into 14 drive, that's for drive. Reverse it, click it, and it was normal, reverse. Because now from soundboard, changing to receiver directly, need to reverse. That's drive forward, drive back. Then channel 24 for the throttle engine sound signal wire. 24, click it. And this one is normal direction. So no switch control. It's all controlled by mix. And what is difference? This soundboard Fury Bear, when you're doing for drive, forward, that's throttle engine sound, and brake. Then reverse have beeping sound. So for driver, mixing controls the throttle engine sound have two-way. Forward, brake, reverse, and beeping sound. But for the legs, arms, spare oil channel, only mixing one way, forward way. Otherwise, you will have the brake sound and the reversing beeping sound. So only forward way. So let's see how to mix. Yeah, this one, no need, it was normal. Then coming to mix. Forward channel chassis control 1 to 12 normal. Then backward 13 to channel 23 was originally controlled. And now 24, yeah, changing the name, sorry, edit. This one is the throttle engine sound, 24. Throttle sound. So throttle sound, no control switch. That's 24 signal wire. And this one was the mix. Originally one. 21 was the pump. And sliding down more, start from here. 24, move away. 24, the first 24 mix channels 24. This is for the driver mixing sound. And the others are all for hydraulic mixing start the sound. It's off. Now for the crane it's on. That's the curve for mixing the sound. So see the difference? First 24, drive. One for drive, it's two-way. One forward, one backward, brake and reversing beeping. And for others, only one way mix. So only the negative way for only throttle engine sound. How to do it? Return. Coming to where is the curves? Coming to curves. So add two curves. Coming down, the last two. One is hydraulic sound curve. One is driver sound mix curve. So you only need to click add and write the name. For example, now this one already add curve 8 and 9. This one useless, I will delete it. So we already add curve, then edit. So edit the name, drive sound mix. And curve type to be custom, and 5 points, and bottom arrow, it will be left 100, up, then 60, then 0, then negative 60, and negative 100. Then you click this add one more mix. That's add curve 9. 9, so after you edit, yeah, so name, custom, and 5 points, the curve down, so it's only bottom line, V-shape, reversed V. So negative 100, negative 60, 0, negative 60, next negative 100, so like this. And remember the name. Curve 8 is for drive, this shape. Curve 9 is for hydraulic sound, this shape. And now, coming to mix, MDL, mix. The first 24 mix, we add. Sliding down, sliding down. For drive, now pushing this one to forward. For chassis, first drive mix. And here, you only have until 19 mix. The bottom mix for 24 is what I added now. So click add and free mix and last position and write the name. It would be drive mix sound. So this one is useless. I will delete it. Sorry, I just should add to last position. So this one delete. And after you add, see how you edit it. For example, this is just what we added, then edit it. So write the name, drive sound mix, and active condition only at drive mode. Only at drive mode, this stick control drive and have throttle sound. Sorry, so push the stick forward, SI forward, active. Source, click here, then push throttle, that's choosing drive, throttle for control. Then click here, you was 100, you have a curve, was 100. Only click this curve. Then click it, edit. It was weight. Originally was weight, 100, always on. Click it, edit. Click weight, click curve, and then curve type, next arrow. Choose the drive sound mix. It's like this, already activated. So return, and here output, only one output. From top here is for control. Control switch choose, and active by SI forward. And control which channel is from here output. Click it and sliding down, down, down until you see channel 24. Click it. So yes, it's controlling channel 24, the throttle engine sound. Now, use a 2S battery, hear it. Radio is on, drive mode, connect. Ready? And now you drive, sound not start. Also, if not start sound, you don't have throttle engine sound. Start engine sound, volume down, volume up, drive. Drive we already set up. Forward, brake, reverse. If this sound not correct, we only have to reverse channel 24. If you drive forward, you have the beeping sound means it's reversed, Forward, brake, reverse. Okay, driving is done, sound off, all the hydraulic mix. So the next leg, bucket, arm is all for the hydraulic sound mix. So second one, again, you click this plus and add more mix to last position. After you add, it would be showing here, edit, So leg out mix, always on, and control by SJ. This is this one. And choose the curve. It was same as the sound, but only choose different curve. It was weight. Originally was like this. So click it, edit, click weight, click curve, and the next one curve, choose the hydraulic mix curve, HY sound mix. Sorry. Choose HY sound mix, and it's already set the curve, so directly choose it. It's done. And here also again output choose 24. So now this one for the leg out is done. Sound. Try it. Only one way mixing sound. No reverse, no beeping. Good. So next one for all the hydraulic same. And second leg down, control by S key, edit, always on S key, and choose same curve and 24. It's done. And one more, the bucket. So it's the same procedure plus then edit. So bucket sliding forward and back. So always on. So this one is always on because no matter driver mode or crane mode, you all can operate the bucket. So source is left slider, and curve choose hydraulic HY sound mix, and also 24. Yeah, here choose 24. Next one, bucket up and down. Same add and edit. Bucket rise mix always on. Slider right, then HY sound mix, then 24. Next one, big arm. So now it should be switching back, activate. Big arm, add and edit. Big arm, sound, active condition, SI pushing back, activated, and it's controlled by throttle, left stick, choose, you push, you already choose it. And curve HY and 24. Next one, middle arm, add, edit. So middle arm, SI back, elevator, and HY sound, 24. Next one, small arm, add, edit. Small arm, sound, SI back, active, source, aeration, right stick, left and right, HY sound mix, then channel 24. Next one, spare oil channel. Next one, spare oil channel 2. That's spare oil. So add, click, edit. So name, write the name, and SI back, active. EX source is EXT1, turning knob left side, and HY sound 24. The last one, spare oil 2, controlled by this one, add and edit. So spare oil 2, SI back, and EXT2, and HY sound, and 24. So now all setting is done. Switch into forward chassis, start the sound up, drive, brake, reverse, forward, then beeping stop, brake, reverse, forward, stop, and leg out, back, leg down. And then we are going to bucket, forward, back, rising, lowering, shifting to crane operation, big arm, middle arm, small arm, spare oil channel, rotation motor one, no need the rotation engine sound, yeah? Only hydraulic need. So that's all the mixing sound for the throttle engine sound. Then it is done. Okay, thank you, gentlemen. So thank you for following. If you have more needs about your RC models, you'd like to change in settings, so just let me know. I will try to make you videos to show all the steps how to modify your control of your models. Yeah. See you, gentlemen.